How much will 2000 mana be worth in 2025? 2000 mana are now worth around $900, but how much will they be worth in 2025? In this video I share my mana price prediction for 2025 with long and short term analysis, and we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for mana to make maximum profits. So let's go straight into the content. Mana is on place 74 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $850 million. The coin is existent since 2017 and we saw the all-time high in 2021. As you all know, it's one of the most popular metaverse projects in the crypto space. And after we built the all-time high, we then saw this massive crash to lower levels. We came all the way down into this demand zone, the demand zone where we saw the start of this massive bullish move. As we tapped in here, we saw this bullish move to the upside. Then we saw another bearish move made in a slightly lower low. And now we are at the prices right now. And if we want to see the start of the bull run for mana, we have to break first the last highs. And especially we have to break this supply zone to the upside, because this supply zone is technically strong because we saw the strong bearish move we made in slightly lower low. So the chance that we see a bearish reaction right here is there. But if we are breaking this supply zone to the upside with a weekly body close, then the chance is extremely high that we see a bullish move to the upside again. And if we are then starting this bullish move, the first interesting price target is this one right here, because this high was the start of this massive move to the downside. So it's the first really important price target. And I would also expect a larger pullback after reaching this high, because often over important highs, retailers and big institutions are taking profits, so the chance that we see a larger pullback is there. But if we are then finding again acceptance over these highs, then the chance is high that we can continue this bullish move. And then the next really interesting area is this price target right here, because this high caused this lower lows and this bearish move. And if we then find acceptance again over this highs, then of course the last really interesting price target is the all-time high. So a potential move in the bull run could look like this. Of course guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now, but if we're reaching this highs and make a pullback, then we also have the chance to buy some more coins in the bull run. And from the prices right now to the all-time high, we would have a potential of nearly 1200%. And I think this is already in great potential for mana. But mana is a very great project with very nice fundamentals in the metaverse space, and the best coins can also explode over their last all-time high. And I think mana has the chance to also break it to the upside. And for calculating a potential price target, we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low, and then we are getting this potential price targets. And if we have a look at the 3.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $20.64, but I'm not really sure if we're reaching this kind of price target in this bull run. So if we have a look at the 1.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $9.37, and I think this price target is way more realistic for the next bull run. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have a potential of 2000%. So this is also a really great deal on mana. So I expect prices from $9 to $12 for the next bull run. And to answer the question from the beginning, how much will 2000 mana be worth in 2025? So if we would reach this kind of price target or slightly above like $10, then 2000 mana would be worth $20,000. Of course guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. But if enough money comes into the crypto market, the chance that we could reach this kind of highs is very high. Especially if we now can continue this bullish move on the total crypto market cap, then the chance is high that we could reach the old all-time high. And if enough money comes from retailers and big institutions into the crypto market, the chance that we also see a larger explosion over the last all-time high is there. And with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, the chances are great that we can see much money flows into the crypto market. And if then a small amount flows into mana, the chances are great that we can see prices like this. So we looked for potential price targets, and now we are looking for potential buy zones for mana. And I think this price area is already a great chance to buy some coins for the long term, because we saw this bullish push out of this demand zone. We made a higher high, and we already saw this retracement to the downside again. And the chance that we now can see a higher high from this position is very high. So I think these levels are already a great chance to buy some coins for the long term. But if we are seeing lower prices again, then I would definitely have a look at this demand zone, because this demand zone was the start of this massive push to the upside. So if we are coming back again into this demand zone and don't see lower levels, and if we then see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is definitely a great chance to buy some coins for the long term. So I think these two areas are great technical areas to buy some coins for the long term. But if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like mana, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all guys, mana is a great project with very nice fundamentals. It's one of the best projects in the metaverse crypto space. And I think prices around $9 to $12 are very realistic for the next bull run. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, this would be an amazing potential over 2000%. And to answer the question from the beginning again, how much will 2000 mana be worth in 2025? then 2000 mana could be worth $20,000. And I think this would be an amazing deal for mana. Of course, again guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. But if enough money flows into the crypto market and especially in mana, the chance that we could reach this kind of highs is very high. If you want to see my alt layer price prediction for the bull run, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for the next bull run. Feel free to check it out. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.